Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add lashes to your picture on Facetune. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Facetune application. Once the application is opened up and you are logged into your account, simply select your picture by tapping on the galleries icon at the top left corner. Now just go ahead and select your desired photo. After choosing your photo, you can edit various features from the edit section at the bottom. Just tap on the face option and this will now detect your face. Now you have the eyebrows option to try. So simply tap on eyebrows and now you can modify the thickness, lift, the shape of your eyebrows, its tilt as well as the raise options. While you cannot specifically add lashes in the free version, you can use other tools to make your eyes look attractive. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix your eyes on Facetune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.